So if you already know that you're able to go through all those steps and they all work, you can create a script to do that. All you gotta do is, well, I already created them right over here, but I'll show you how I did it. Create new text file, and we'll call this one setup, I guess. I already have that. Let's do startup, and we're gonna name it .sh, and right here, okay. And now let's open it with kwrite, and basically we're just gonna type in the steps that we want to do. So let's type in airmon-ng stop wlan0 ifconfig wlan0 down mac changer mac airmon-ng start wlan0 and eero dump -ng wlan0, and we're going to save that. And before we could use it, we have to create a link to an application, and we'll call this startup application, client application on the desktop, startup.sh, advanced, run in terminal, do not close when done, okay, and general, click there, click add, and make sure that you have console selected. The system, make sure console is selected there. Run in terminal, do not close. Take a second to do that, and click apply. Okay, okay. Before we can actually use this script, we need to sort of compile it. So let's open up a shell, and we're going to type in chmod 700, and we need to drag in the location. We could just click paste. It will bring up this directory. Click enter. Okay, and now it should be able to be used. Now all you need to do is plug in a USB adapter and double click the icon startup, and that will do the rest. Already scanning all the networks, and so let's start cracking the WPA encryption. Let's go for my router, which is TB12K, so let's hit Control C. Now remember, we need the channel, which is channel 3. We need the BSSID, which is right here. So let's right click the BSSID, click copy, let's open up another shell, which we could click this icon right here. Eero dump -ng -c, our channel, which is 3, -w. We'll name this test --BSSID, shift insert or right click paste, and our interface. Okay, well, as you can see, the data is going up slowly, so let's stimulate some more data. Open up another shell. First we have to associate. So we're going to type in airplay -ng -1 0 -a, shift insert -h in our big Mac, and our interface. Association successful, and you get the smiley face. Now let's type in airplay -ng -3 -b, shift insert -h, and 0 to 5, and our interface. Now it's going to be waiting for ARP requests. Wow, ARP requests are going up pretty quick. Okay, let's see the data. Already at 2,000 data. 44 seconds, wow. Okay. Well, this is one way of doing it. Another way is if you don't have a client, which I'll show you afterwards as soon as this finishes. So, let's try cracking it. Type in aircrack -ng test -01.cap. Even though we named it test, it's going to put a -01, or if you do test 5 times, it's going to be -05. But remember to keep track of how many times you do it. Hit enter, and it will try to crack it. Okay, there we have it. Key found 12345678890. When typing it in, when you try to connect, just leave out the colons. Just type in 1 to 0. Okay, so that is using the -3 command. Let's end this, and we're already associated, so let's type in the other command. airreplay -ng -2 -p 0841 -c f f f f f f -b shift insert -h 05 and your interface. We'll start reading the packet. I'll instantly found the packet. Let's click yes, and that's another technique which will generate a lot of packets, as you can see in my other videos. And that's generating a lot of packets, and then you can just crack the same way, same technique. Okay, now for WPA. Okay, so let's do a WPA attack. Let's just double click the startup script, and that will start up everything we need. And remember, for WPA, you're going to need a handshake. You're not looking for any packets. So you definitely are going to need someone connected to the network to acquire the handshake. Okay, so here is my network, TB12K. Let's hit Control C. Encryption WPA, channel 3, my BSS ID. Copy that BSS ID. Open up another shell. Aero dump -ng -c 3 -w. Call this one WPA -- BSS ID. Shift insert W LAN 0. Okay. Well, remember, you're going to need someone connected to the network. So, just wait till someone gets connected here. Here we go. There I am. Now, let's acquire a handshake. To do that, we just got to deauthenticate them. So, type in airreplay -ng -05 -a shift insert W LAN 0. Now we're just going to try to deauthenticate everyone off the network. So let's wait a couple seconds. And there we go. WPA handshake acquired. Now, once you have the handshake, pretty simple to crack it. Just going to type in aircrack -ng, the name of it, WPA, remember, -01.cap, and we have to specify a dictionary file, -w. To get a dictionary, well, aircrack has a decent dictionary. I mean, it's not going to crack anything. You really have to go online and download one. But we can just go into the folder here and copy the file path of this dictionary. We're going to go to aircrack, test, password list. My password is in the list. It's 123456780. And we're just going to drag the file path into aircrack. So let's just drag it in. Okay. Hit enter. And instantly found it. 123246780. Okay. I hope that this tutorial has been informative. And many more tutorials to come. Subscribe and please donate. Thank you.